Okay, these two pieces are finished gluing. So they'll fit together like this. And I have one other fragment that fits, let's see, like that. Now, as I'm adding this bit of thin glue in, I have to be careful because I don't want to undo a lot of the other glue joints. Well, it took a couple of weeks, but we did finally finish reassembling the ilium. And here we have a completed phytosaur ilium. There are a couple of missing pieces in this area here. And I actually have a couple of fragments that probably belong to the specimen, but I can't find a good fit. What I'm planning on doing in the future is going ahead and screen washing a lot of the matrix, and hopefully there will be a couple of other fragments that belong to this bone. And we'll be able to disassemble the lower part of the ilium and add in these couple of pieces. Next time we'll take a closer look at the rest of the bones in the jacket and also uncover these couple of mystery bones that are wrapped in paper towel.